Today we're going to take a quick look at how local government agencies use the Nintex platform to manage, automate, and optimize paper-based processes quickly and easily without writing code. Nintex is a leader in process management and automation with a robust platform that includes an engaging interface for mapping processes, advanced workflow capabilities, mobile apps and forms, document generation and e-signature capabilities, and process intelligence. In our scenario, Harrington County has an undefined and manual paper-based process that is both time-consuming and prone to errors. Their team needs to define the process, automate it, and track the results in order to reduce errors, improve responsiveness, and increase the satisfaction of its citizens. To begin, our team at Harrington County needs to define the entire process from beginning to end. By using Nintex ProMap, the team can work collaboratively to document the process for issuing property tax rebates. Here they can work together to define all the inputs and triggers, identify both the systems and steps to complete the process, even allocate time and costing information. By mapping the process first, we identified the key areas needed for automation. They are web, mobile, and paper-based forms to start the workflow, integration with the case management system, multiple level approval process, capturing of all necessary paperwork in a single document and signed electronically, and performance metrics and auditing. Let's take a look. To begin, let's look at how we build a form and workflow with Nintex. Once logged into Nintex Workflow Cloud, I create a new workflow and select a start event from one of the many listed. In this case, I want to start with a form. I begin building my form by simply dragging and dropping controls onto the canvas. When finished, I apply my changes and begin to build my workflow. Again, using drag and drop, this time with workflow actions. Here I configure the email messages, create a case in the case management system, create the stages and tasks needed for our process. I also configure the document generation action to build our final file that will be sent with Nintex Sign for e-signature. And lastly, I'll use beacons to capture data for reporting purposes. Once finished, I publish the workflow. Now let's take a look at what we built. Here on the Harrington County website, a user, Chris, can fill out the tax credit rebate form. Once submitted, Chris receives an email confirming his submission. The request has been routed to Shannon Tillman at Harrington County to review. Shannon notices that Chris failed to include a valid form of ID, so she routes it back to him to provide the additional information. Once all information is complete, we can send the final document to Chris for signature using Nintex Sign. Now the process can complete with a check being sent to Chris and the case being closed. To finish, we'll take a quick look at a sample report generated using data from our rebate process. There you have it. A quick overview of how you can leverage the Nintex platform to manage, automate, and optimize your organization's processes.